What's going on, y'all? Grand Rising. I am up and at 'em. It is Saturday, and I've been going through my TikTok looking at some recipes, and there's some food that I want to cook today. I need to get my nail fixed today, but we'll do that Monday. But anyway, what's going on, y'all? If this is your first time checking out my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so every time I drop a video, you get that baby. And don't forget to follow me on all of my social media: Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, everywhere. All you need to do is type in The Vegan Foodie and I'm gonna pop up. So today is another day of my life, and so I've been really dedicated to vlogging, and it's a couple things that I want to talk about today as I just go through my day. But it's a couple things that's been on my heart. Y'all know all of my vlogs, even though I show you my life, I'm always addressing things, talking about certain topics. So today is no different, you know. So I'm just getting up. I'm about to edit the other video that I'm gonna post today of me yesterday. I gotta go get some ingredients because I saw a recipe that someone shared to me on my Instagram that I really want to try, because I really want to try this fried mushroom that comes out like fried chicken. So, and I'm making pasta today, so I'm gonna have pasta and fried chicken. But anyway, let me start my day. So let's go. Jean with the super camera. My housemate got a dope camera. So what's going on, y'all? I am up and ready to go shopping. If you follow me on Instagram, then I posted a mushroom recipe that was made into fried chicken. And baby, the recipe looks so fucking good that I'm headed to the market right now to go and get the ingredients so I can make it. So I'm actually gonna bring y'all along with me. And this will be the first time that I actually made a recipe. Well, I actually saw a recipe on my Instagram and I made it for my YouTube. So come on, let's go shopping. So y'all, let me tell you what really annoys me, okay? So a lot of people send me recipes, but it's always somebody in the comments that want to give their 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 cents in terms of like what vegans should be doing, what I should be doing. Like, people send me recipes all the time, and when somebody sends me a recipe, I don't feel the need to have to address the recipe or like come up with some type of like feedback. Like, if somebody send me a recipe, I'm gonna review the recipe. Somebody was in the comments talking about the recipe was fried and that's not healthy, and I feel like people like to go too hard and think too hard about things that doesn't necessarily concern them, or people just are like extra opinionated. Like, if I post a recipe, that means somebody sent it to me and I'm gonna give my review. But you get so many people that are in the comments that want to say, oh well, you know, this is wrong or that is wrong. And it's like, why can't I just post a fucking recipe and get my review without somebody giving their opinion and trying to think too hard or go into too much about the recipe? Like, if I post a recipe, just let it be. I don't want to have to try to explain and give the nutritional facts and get all of this extra information. So, you know, I was just annoyed today. I just had to vent real quick. Anyway, back to doing what I do. Y'all, these are the mushrooms I need, and they are mad cheap, bro. Like, damn. So now I need to get flour. All of the flour is really cheap though. But I'm gonna try I think I tried this flour. I never used this before. Which is this. Y'all, this is literally the first time that I came to the store later in the day, and it's not dumb busy. Like, I like shopping and it's not a bunch of people and not a long ass line. It's just hectic. But I guess it's Saturday in the middle of the day, so most people are out being with their families and not really grocery shopping. And they're going out to dinner and stuff like that. So now I need to find seasoning. Where is seasoning at? You know, when black people make fried chicken, they use garlic. So I'm trying to think, should I use garlic or garlic parsley? I'm gonna stick with just garlic. I decided I'm gonna make potatoes, corn, and vegan fried chicken, because that's like a ghetto meal, right? No, I bought cabbage too, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I got the mushrooms, so let's get to making them. Okay, so I have broken down the mushrooms, so now I'm about to create my dry batter and my wet batter. Okay, so I have made my wet batter and my dry batter, and it's almost time to dip, but first let me get my coconut garlic milk for my mashed potatoes and finish cooking my sauteed cabbage with onions. The taste test, that's the real truth. So y'all, when I say that recipe, that mushrooms, chicken, vegan chicken recipe that was sent to me was hitting, it was hitting, y'all. It tastes just like chicken. The consistency was stringy like chicken. I'm over oyster mushrooms like chicken. Those mushrooms are officially my go-to for vegan chicken, y'all. And I put the full recipe on my TikTok. So if you haven't followed me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok so y'all can see the recipe. But baby, I'm still having memories of how good that shit was. I hit that. And that was my first time making that. Normally when I make recipes for the first time, it'd be like hit or miss. This one was all net. All right, so I'm about to put on my pajamas and kind of wrap up. I might go live today on my Instagram. I don't know, but yeah, that chicken, that vegan chicken was hitting, boo. Okay, y'all, so the recipe that I used for my Instagram was absolutely amazing. The vegan chicken was absolutely amazing. I gave some to Abhishek, he liked it. I gave some to Alex, he liked it. So officially that is my new vegan chicken recipe. But I'm about to go to bed. As you see, I got my scarf on, I got my pajamas on, so I'm about to go to bed. It is after 2 a.m. so I need to go to sleep. But tomorrow's Halloween, so I'm super excited about that. I gotta go get my nails done because I done lost not one but 2 nails. So I'm about to go to sleep. I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna do a full vlog tomorrow, my full day, because tomorrow's Halloween, so we're gonna be turning up. But y'all listen, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all my social medias. Hit the bell notifications. I'm the Vegan Foodie everywhere. Y'all, I'm out of here. Good night.